see if there's something like
Bet you he won't. He does.
I'm in a pretty good mood today. You guys ruined
Well, guess what? I had a pretty good day until I saw you. You ruined it. How do you like them apples?
You wound me.
Burn.
Whoa. To the heart. Oh, let's get it warmed up. Come on, let's go.
Steinman, can I have some of your jello? Can I have some of your jello? Sorry.
What's that?
Can I have some of your jello? No, I'm seriously.
Jello. I don't have jello. Oh.
I saw the show.
Every day.
What's today? Every other day. I have the witness today.
Stick alive?
I got you a fish and you put it.
Put your hand in there.
Sure.
Open your jello.
Open it.
Yes, just do it.
Hey, somebody go get him a fork. There's something that you have to get to it.
Don't let it bite you.
Somebody give him a fork. It's important. Somebody give him a fork. Hey, you have some of your sour cream.
I think that's cream cheese, dude. It's cream cheese.
Charlotte back there.
That'd be cream cheese.
Freddie.
What?
Freddie. Oh my God. Freddie has to videotape. Come on, just give it.
As hard as you can.
Right down the
Yeah,
middle.
you got me nervous.
Right down the middle.
It's not gonna bite too hard, man.
Jello. What do you think? Blue Jello.
No, that's way.
I made it myself.
Now you're really scared of him, Copio. Get out the way. I'm recording.
It's not a stapler if that's what you're thinking.
Oh, you guys.
Freddie just takes a bite.
Get out of here.
You gotta eat good whipped cream.
Alright, so what's the story? Is this
He hid in our jello and then covered
missing
himself.
stapler, or is this a new one that you guys are donating
It's your
to the
missing
cause?
one.
It grew legs and jumped into the jello. I swear.
Want to get dip?
Take a bite. Can I have this?
Is today your birthday? It's not my birthday.
Just gonna.
I'm not sure that this is a present.
All you gotta do is wipe it off and it's brand new. Yeah. Good as
Stick some new staplers in there and.
It'll always have that blue raspberry. Yeah, just eat the Jello. The Jello's still
I'll
good.
eat it
Freddie
for you
ate
if you
it.
can.
Yeah, the Jello's really
And
good.
that is good whipped cream. Don't let it go to waste.
How about shaving cream?
I'm not sure about the blue shell.
Well, actually, it's
Jacob made it. It's okay.
Yeah.
Don't.
So, okay, I want to know where we found
He's
the
not gonna
stapler.
poison you.
I don't have a problem.
Off his desk.
Freddie just keeps eating more and more.
Hey, I'm fat.
It was
No, you're not, Freddie. I'm the chubby one here.
You can have
Jeff, don't talk to yourself.
whatever you
What?
want.
I could use it without the jelly roll.
If you really wanted this, who made this?
Wait, can
Jacob
I get a plate?
Yeah, a little round of applause.
I need to get a close up of what was actually in the Jello.
Definitely, for sure.
I want to get a picture of this.
Hey, taking a video on a video.
I'm not sure what I did to deserve this.
Get out of here.